Okay, if one use this movie, we only choose this button, have the limit, and choose teach. Choose the teach. Here is limit. We then learn here, and speed. We choose the percent. Then move. If you change it, if you not choose it, here is 100%. Here is choose here. We now only press the X1. X. Here is right. Here is limit is step by step. Right. We only move it here. You can see the here. If we want to stop, we only press again. Press the Y. Y is yes, okay. Here is direction is this one, and here is like this. Is this. And then you can see the Y. The Y is front. Here is back. And change. Here is X. Here is X. We from here. Here is go. And go back. Is back. Right. And want to use the word, choose this button, then choose the C. We can move it, you can see the here, together. Right. Okay, this one is use this button moving the boat. We only press this button. We close this